I've used both of Bluehost and SiteGround, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that if you get one of these web hosting providers using my affiliate links from the description below, I will give you access to my online university for free, where you will get access to multiple online courses, including one about your new web hosting provider. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Directly after completing my purchase, Bluehost redirected me to a page where they started asking me questions to build my WordPress site and customize it based on my answers. Personally, I don't prefer setting up my site this way because most of the time these systems don't address the little details. However, I must admit that Bluehost did a pretty good job. For someone who just wants to launch their site in an acceptable way and as soon as possible, it is very useful. The second way to install WordPress on Bluehost was also easy because Bluehost comes with cPanel. The only drawback I found was locating the cPanel button. After that, the process was straightforward. Click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, click Install, enter your information, click Install again and wait a moment. The next minute you will have your own fresh WordPress site that you can customize as you want. Installing WordPress on SiteGround was easy. First, go to WordPress, select Install and Manage. Click on this select button below WordPress. Select your domain name, your website language, installation path, username, password, email address, and hit this install button. And just like that, your WordPress is installed on your domain name. A cool feature I really like in SiteGround is the staging feature. It helps you avoid breaking your WordPress website when performing risky tasks like updating plugins or themes. How does it work? It creates a duplicate copy of your website. You can test those risky changes on the copy, and once you're sure everything works fine, you can deploy it, meaning you publish the changes to your live WordPress site. For speed, I installed this plumbing template first, along with some content in order to mimic a website. Even on my slow internet connection, opening the pages of my website was quick enough. The same was true for the control panel of my WordPress site. When I tested website speed using tools like Gmetrics, Pingdom, and Page Speed Insights, I got different results. Having used Bluehost many times before this video, I can say that Bluehost is slightly slower than Hostinger, but definitely faster to load than DreamHost. After installing this starter template from Astra theme, I gave my website a visit, and from my experience, I think the speed is only average. It is not bad, but it is not top of the market. And these are the results from GT Metrics, Page Speed Insights, and Pingdom by SolarWinds. Daily backups are free for the first year if you opt for the Choice Plus plan or above. To manage your backups, go to Websites, Settings, and click on Backups. CodeGuard is the tool responsible for creating and managing your backups. As you can see, my first automated backup was created for me around 33 minutes ago. To restore your backup, click on the little dots next to your desired copy. After that, you will receive an email confirming the start of the restoration process. Downloading your backup to your computer can be done by selecting Prepare a zip. The email containing the download link will be sent to your inbox. If your plan does not include CodeGuard or if it has expired, you can still create, download, or restore backups from cPanel using the software called Backup Wizard. However, be mindful that Bluehost's terms of service clearly states that backups are not guaranteed in any way and encourages you to run periodic backups. Additionally, Bluehost is unable to create automatic backups for sites above 30 gigabytes in size. Creating a website backup inside SiteGround was easy. All you need to do is to give your backup a name and hit enter. After that, you see all of your available backups here. But unfortunately, I was not able to download my backup to my computer because I was asked to pay for a subscription. Fortunately, with access to this file manager app, I can compress all of my website files and download them just like that. And for my databases, I can export them manually from PHP My Admin. But don't worry, restoring your available backups is easy and also free. If you are concerned about your investment in Bluehost, rest assured that Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. To avoid the deduction of $15.99 of the free domain they provide, opt for their temporary domain during the purchase and redeem your free domain later when you are confident in your decision. In my experience, requesting a refund was straightforward. All I had to do was engage with one of their team members through live chat and answer some questions to confirm ownership of my account. 2 or 3 days later, the refund was deposited into my bank account. In terms of the money back guarantee, SiteGround gives you 30 days money back guarantee on their shared hosting plans and 14 days on their cloud hosting plans. And if you register their free domain name, a fee will be deducted. And as they said, upon canceling a service eligible for a refund, you will see a confirmation on your screen with the exact refund amount. If you confirm the cancellation request, the refund will be issued immediately and should appear in your bank statement with just 7 to 10 business days. If you don't know how to cancel a service with SiteGround, it's simple. Just log into your SiteGround account, go to Services, select your service from here, and next to your service click on Settings, and from these three dots you have the option to cancel this service. Make sure to select immediately and hit continue. And after that, if you confirm the cancellation request, the refund will be issued immediately. If you don't like this method, you can contact them directly through their live chat support and ask them to cancel your service for you and issue a refund. Having a 24/7 live chat support system is very helpful, but the help I got wasn't good enough. Last time I chatted with a support person, it took longer than they said it would. They told me it would take 3 minutes, but it actually took 9. The support person gave me enough information for my technical questions, but they struggled to address my specific concern regarding the deduction from my refund due to registering a free domain. Even when I tried to explain my issue clearly, the support person kept saying I'd get a full refund, ignoring that domain names aren't refundable. They didn't really try to understand my side of things. I've had 3 bad experiences in a row with Blue's support. Compared to Hostinger, Blue's support is slower and not as good. Getting to SiteGround customer support live chat is not that easy. It is a little bit hidden in their knowledge base articles, so you need to select a topic first and then you get access to it. In terms of wait time to get connected, it was almost instant, just like they claim. However, the support agent wasn't very quick to respond. It felt like he was chatting with multiple people at once, which is pretty common these days. That said, his replies were clear and I could tell he was genuinely trying to resolve my issue.